Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about small town side hustles. So as we know, like anywhere in the world, we have small towns everywhere, and as a people living in the small town, like it's really good life to live in a small town because you have like small town, you can there's no commute. Usually you have the job local and then enjoy local, and then usually small towns have some nice outskirts, so you can even enjoy your after work time or weekend time, and this is really good actually. Small living in small town is a fun. So today what we are going to do is like in our money making series, this is a new chapter, and we'll see today like there are many ways to make a small town side hustle. So today I'm going to go over some top side hustles you can do from your own town, living in your town, and you can make money and then live better. And plus, these are independent businesses, so you don't have to like go to job. You're your own boss, and whatever you can expand, you will make the money. So this is really helpful. Let's go next. So let's start first one. So first one is like if you are, have the skills for specialized craft and artisan goods, then you are in good bright spot because small towns usually have strong appreciation for handmade made and unique items, especially when tourists come. So that time this they buy those unique items from small town. Also, like if you are individual with skill in woodworking, pottery, knitting, jewelry making, or other crafts, then you can tap this market by creating high quality and locally sourced products. For example, wood from your forest and things from your surrounding uh, natural area. So this will help to grow your business, especially if you are living in tourist town. Another thing is you can, if you have farm, then good, you can sell your things at local farms, and that can have from vegetables to animal products to craft fairs, and then also you can even sell some things online. So if it's like bottled jam or maple syrup or something like that. So those kind of products you can even ship it to customer. So that's also very nice and growing business. The next one is really good because this one is needs good tutoring or educational services. So uh, basically in small community you can usually there is limited access to the highly skilled things. So tutoring is usually very in demand because the kids in village needs help with mathematics, science, or foreign languages, and you can, if you know it, you can teach them, and then you can make money. So without any investment or very small investment, you can just start your tutoring business from home. And then also, yeah, you can nowadays it's digital, so you can even have teaches online, and then you can have your students attending from worldwide. You're not limited to just your own town, but you can teach anywhere in the world. So that's also one of the growing business you can go in. The next one is again very nice one because this is like in your village if you open the shop for mobile repairing. Usually it's very popular because everybody nowadays has mobile and laptops and things. So if you open the shop for small engine repair or appliance fixing or computer, you can open your small engine or repair and appliance fixing and computer troubleshooting shop, and then you can see that people can come to you or you can go to them as a mobile service and you can make money. and this is really good because people need this every day. The next one is yeah, this is again very popular in small town, especially where rich people are living. And then when there are lots of farmers and old age people, so they seniors, so they really need this service, and you can give them this service. So basically, what you do is like for busy professionals or seniors and family, you can do everyday tasks for grocery shopping or dry cleaning pickup or pet care or appointment scheduling. So you can take them to your doctors and bring back. You can drive them around and you can charge them hourly or whatever you want to charge, and they will be happily spend their money because they have made the money entire life. So they will pay you. The next one is local tourism experience. So if you are living in a tourist town, then you can become a guide, unique, and you can give them tour of unique historical culture and natural attraction, and they can people are willing to pay for that, and they will pay you because they want to know your area, and then you can have yeah, like walking tour or historical reenactment or natural excursions or even unique accommodation options. So that way you can generate your income. The next one is specialized cleaning service. So yeah, like all these people also need the cleaning service. So they don't have time or even they don't have energy to clean their own houses. So you can offer this deep cleaning or window washing, carpet cleaning, and organization services. And I'm sure people will pay for this task because everybody needs this service. The next one is for local businesses. You can offer digital marketing, social media management because everything they you can find the businesses whose products you can help them sell online, and so you can offer them website design or social media marketing or content creation for their ad or local SEO, and then it's always high in demand. The next one is very lucrative, which is photography and videography services. So you just have to buy one camera, learn some online courses, and you just start taking nice pictures, and then that's it. And then on summer or during local events or wedding ceremony and family portraits or real estate listings. So there are endless occasions where you can go and take the order, and then you can just uh, make money by just taking a few photos and selling them to a client, and it's really lucrative. So next one is event planning and coordination. So small town often have at least couple of events in summer, so festivals and pride parties. So you can be an organized planner, and then so people are willing to pay you, and then you can make really good amount of money because they have lots of fairs and parties and small festivals in the during the so especially during good months, either it's summer or winter, depends on your country, but it's really very popular thing. The next one is remote freelancing. So if you are a specialized person, then you can work from there and like writing, editing, graphic designing, web development, virtual assistants, and more. So you can take work from anywhere in the world and work from your town. So next one is property management. So yeah, there are many times happens if it's tourist destination that many outside investors have bought property and they're doing Airbnb or vacation rentals, and you can be a property manager. And that is very lucrative because you just have to do maintenance, cleaning after guest leaves, and then guest communication, and then it's a very reliable source of income because outside investor will pay you to manage these things, and then on you just make money out of it. The next one is on upcycle repurpose goods. So if you have creative skills, then you can uh, make a one kind of piece, some unique items to sell, and then those items get sell like a hotcake. because they are only available at your place. This is again like if you have farm, then you can start sell fresh produce, packed goods, jams, and other items at farmer market, and then you can have also like sell the locally produced food. So that's really lucrative business. You can also conduct fitness and wellness coaching. It's very popular. Everybody likes yoga and pilates classes and nutritional coaching. So you can just have many clients for that. Now online courses and workshops are also very popular. Like if you are popular, then you can have um, you can conduct this kind of workshops and classes, and then you can make tons of money here also. So with that, thank you for watching the video, and yeah, I hope you like it. So like and subscribe the channel, and comment what is the next topic you want to see the video on, and I will make the video, and yeah, and then we can take it from there. Thank you for joining today. Again, see you soon.